Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily and simply remove the call button from your Facebook page. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video, write comments, and let's get started. So friends, I'm going to show you the whole process from the very beginning. And open up your Facebook. Next, if you friends are on your main Facebook account, like I am at this second, then you'll need to switch to your page. To do that, go to the menu section on the bottom right. After that, click on this button right here. There you'll have a list of all your pages and accounts. And select the page that you need to switch to. And then, also in the menu section, click here. This will open your page. Then click on the three dots. Then change action. And you'll see your call to action button on your page. And in order to delete, you just click right here. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, instantly the call button will be removed from your page. That's the very simple and quick method. Friends, you can easily remove the call button from your Facebook page. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video, write comments, subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.